Cambio naman tayo sa sports. Sa basketball, ilang PBA games ang pinaplanong idaos sa Sydney, Australia. Ito'y kasunod ng pagbisita ng PBA delegation sa opisina mismo ni Basketball New South Wales President Daniel Martinez sa Land Down Under. Nasa Sydney, Australia pa rin si PTV Sports anchor Snow Badwa at narito po ang kanyang report.
Upang mas mapalawak ang relasyon sa iba pang basketball association sa mundo, binisita ng PBA delegation ang opisina ng Basketball New South Wales o NSW sa Sydney. Ang New South Wales ay isa sa 6 na major basketball stakeholder sa bansang Australia at ito ay situated sa mismong compound ng site ng 2000 Olympics. Nakakatuwang makita na isang Pilipino sa katauhan ni Ginoong Daniel Martinez ang siyang pangulo ng Basketball New South Wales. Si Martinez ay dating manlalaro ng UST at Letran Knights.
Probably because I had a business background. Because in the end of the day, it's a corporation, so it needs to have a business background. But I also knew about basketball, so it was very good.
Si Martinez ay may 30 taon nang nakabase dito sa Australia at umaasa siya na maging susi sa mas malalim na relasyon ng mga Pinoy at Usis.
It's good. I'm hoping to make the Philippines a destination so that people can appreciate how strong a basketball culture it is. They just don't realize it. So if we succeed, there'll be a lot of interchange between the Philippines and Australia.
Balak ng Basketball New South Wales na i-host ang ilang laro ng PBA para sa mga kababayan natin sa Australia.
Well, I'm going to write to Commissioner and we'll begin jotting out programs that would be beneficial for both. And we'll just move on that list.
Samantala, inilibot naman ng mga matataas na opisyales ng Australian Sports ang PBA delegation sa kanilang state-of-the-art sports facility. Nasilip rin namin ang mga high-tech na kagamitan, maging ang modernong pagtitrain at pangangalaga ng mga Australiano sa kanilang mga atleta. Ang Australia ay isa sa top 10 superpowers ng Summer Olympics. Para sa PTV Sports, Snow Badwa, Sydney, Australia.
Sa boxing naman, sa kabila ng dinanas na back-to-back losses, kumpiyansa pa rin si Manny Pacquiao na tatalunin niya si Floyd Mayweather Jr. Ito'y kung mabibigyan siya ng pagkakataon na makaduelo sa iba ang undefeated American rival. Narito naman ang report ni Ms. Cristabel de Leon.
Malaki ang paniniwala ni Manny Pacquiao na may kapasidad siyang talunin si Floyd Mayweather Jr. Ito'y kahit pagaling siya sa dalawang magkasunod na kabiguan noong isang taon, kabilang narito ang stunning 6th round knockout loss kontra Mexican counterpuncher Juan Manuel Marquez. Ayon kay Pacquiao, magkaroon lamang siya ng pagkakataon na makasagupa si Mayweather ay paghahandaan niya ng husto ang undefeated American rival.
I'm hoping for that fight happen. For me, I'm waiting since how many years and that's what the fans want, to see that fight. And as long as still in the boxing, there's still possibilities to make that fight happen.
Samantala, nagpahiwatig naman si Pacman na hindi siya magpapakakumpiyansa sa nalalapit na laban kontra Brandon Rios, lalo pat mas bata at tila mas gutom-anya ang American opponent.
I see him as a very aggressive fighter, and I like his style. He likes to fight toe-to-toe, and he has a big heart in the ring, fighting, especially if the opponent want to fight, and he can fight. But my advantage is just my speed and faster than him, and but we cannot take him lightly because we know his fight. I saw his fight, and he's kind of the fighter that you cannot underestimate.
Sa panig naman ni Rios, nangako siya na ibubuhos ang lahat para maka-score ng upset kontra Pacquiao.
Well, he's very fast. He moves a lot, got great angles. There's certain things that I will correct. He does jump in a lot further than that, but he's very fast, and like I said, he got great footwork, great speed, and he hit throws from different angles.
Ang WBO International Welterweight Championship ni Pacquiao at Rios ay mangyayari sa Venetian Resort and Casino sa Macau, China sa Nobyembre 24. Para sa PTV Sports, Cristabel de Leon, Telebisyon ng Bayan.